guys, I am super excited. So today is Thursday. I took off Thursday and Friday to come down to Bad Apples, and I'm less than an hour away now. So I got up this morning, went out to breakfast with the girls, and then left, and I am just about there. It's just about 1 o'clock. I just stopped for some lunch, and really looking forward to this. I'm not towing my trailer with my trike in it. I'm going down here more to see my paramotor family and friends and see what this is all about. I'm such a new pilot. I'm not going to be flying with 300 or 400 other pilots. I don't know how many's down there, but they're talking about this being the biggest year ever. But I really just want to watch the guys fly the paramotors and get an idea what this thing's all about. So I'm really looking forward to it. Hopefully I'll get some footage and talk about it after I'm done as well. Thanks, guys. It's exciting. It's like going to an amusement park when you were a kid.
You want me over here to be?
You guys, I'll try not to talk too much throughout the video and let you hear the sounds that go along with the sites that we're at Bad Apples. And as we come up here, this is, I'll point out a couple of things. This is One Up Adventures and Fly Products setup. That trike right there behind their adventure sign is the actual trike that I soloed in for the very first time. It's a Fly Products Vertigo, a great trike. And One Up Adventures does these adventure trips. I hope to do one someday. We'll see. I don't free fly though, but maybe that's something I'll learn in the future. But as you walk through here, you can see they got all their products set up. Really nice. Fly Products been around for over 30 years, making paramotors and making trikes, and they know what they're doing. I'm really glad I went with the Zenit, which is what I have. And then as we move on over to the Resurgence tent, this is a Fresh Breeze trike that Resurgence, I believe, is going to give to an alum or a candidate for their thing. If not, Todd can correct me on that, I'm sure. Alright, we'll let you listen in to the sights and sounds of Bad Apples.
Micah's, and I was wanting to tell him,
Going up, Brooke?
What's up, what's up?
You going up?
Probably in a little bit. I'm gonna wait till sunset when things calm down.
That's what David was just saying. It looks like it's starting to calm down now. And
Yeah.
he said a lot more people are going to be going out there. Everyone's made the cover for my room. Hey guys, you can tell as it's pretty windy looking at the flags and stuff, but more and more pilots came out as we get closer to the evening, and you'll see the sky gets pretty busy towards the evening. And then my battery died just as Allie was taking off in the evening. That was pretty close to sunset there. And then here we have our judges gonna hold up signs and judge people's landing. They have a lot of fun at these events and stuff. So enjoy.
He's not paying attention.
You know what? He's paying attention to his surroundings.
Yeah, doing the right things for the right reasons, right?
Yes.
I thought this next clip coming up was cool. It's Alexis Quintana and Justin Fox taking off together with Naveed right behind them.
The guy I was telling you about, I went down one of the other.
Hey guys, so right there is where my battery died. Allie was just getting a few feet off the ground and it just went kaput. So I couldn't even do a outro and my personal thoughts on the whole Bad Apples fly-in on the way home, which is what I had planned on doing. And so here's my thoughts on it. It was amazing seeing all the people there that are into this sport. It was super crowded. I mean, campers were on top of campers and a couple deep, and there was, by Thursday, the day of the start of it, there was very few places to actually park. So I think if you're planning on something like that, you better plan on getting there early if you want a decent space. I understand all the vendors getting there early so that they can set up and get their stuff set up along the flight line and stuff. As far as flying goes, I don't know if I would want to fly during it. I think so, but I would definitely be one of the very early morning flyers or trying to get out there when not too many people were out there, which doesn't seem too often. Seems like any flying weather they all take advantage of, so it was great. One of the other great things I thought was seeing some of the different products and stuff that are out there. For example, Fly Products has this new flight deck. I checked this out. Look at this altimeter. There's even a vertical speed indicator, all your temperatures, and a nice little clock and stuff. So that was just great to see. Not that I'm gonna run out and buy it. I'm still recovering from buying everything last year, but that looked pretty awesome. That'd be really nice to have, to know where you are, especially since I fly at an airport and they got some kind of strict limits where they, altitude-wise, where they want you staying away from traffic for separation. So that'd be really nice to have. I typically use my a phone app like Fly Sky High, or there's actually an altimeter app for that. So that works. But all in all, I think it was great. I hope you get a chance to go out there and enjoy it. Or if you did, leave your comments below on your thoughts and let me know what you think. And if you like this video, please hit the subscribe and the like button, and we will see you soon. Thank you.